So here we go, guys. A wonderful case I'm proud of. We have two canines that are Emax veneers, as you can see from the lingual preps. They're not full Emax, they're veneers. And then adjacent to that, we have two laterals, one being over a normal crown, and the other is a very special lateral. It's an opaque abutment, Emax crown over it. I didn't screw it down to show you. And then we have the other central over a regular tooth prep. So just to show the expertise here of a wonderful combination case, different types of preps, veneers, and crowns over implants. And as you can see, the shade is spectacular, matching all around on different products.
Visit 𝗷𝗚𝗺𝗚𝗏.com today. And remember to smile elegantly.